Hi. So, yeah. I decided to record a video. This is Déoné's first time doing street photography, and basically, I just gave her one of my cameras. Excuse all the trash. It's because it's the street. Like I'm almost in the bin. Okay. Don't fall down. Step 1. All right. Cool.
Step 2, find the person with the right pizzazz.
Okay. So basically, this is how I teach someone to do street photography because it's how I learn. I have a unique style. I'm a portrait specialist, and it makes me want to take a portrait of you. What I do is I go up to a person, I say, hey, I like this about you. I like the way you look, or I like something, and I want to take a photo of you. I tell them how much I want to charge. There's not necessarily a particular rate for this. Depends on the day and what I want. Huh? Oh. You're welcome. All right, yeah. But basically, Déoné and I are doing street photography, and we'll let you know how it goes at the end of the day.